Hi guys, good evening. I hope you are all doing well and you're welcome to today's session. So in this video we are going to be going through how to create a report card on Microsoft Excel. So here is on this page or on this sheet 1, I have the results for some of the pupils in some school, and you know how to make a report card. We might have we need to find the totals, we need to get the average, we need to grade, sometimes you need to comment. Let me first highlight this. Allow me highlight or make them bold. So this is where we have the student name, we have the subjects, there are 4 subjects. We need to get the total, average, grade and comment. So straight away we need to start on how to get a total. A total is the summation of each mark for this subject. So we are going to make a summation of maths, English, social studies and so on. So you can decide to enter the formula manually using equal sign, then summation of and then you get to summation of you and then you can sum the marks that is from this each cell. So we shall start maybe from summation of B2. Yes, that is B2. So you have equal sign, you get the sum, open the brackets, then we say you sum the B2, that is to E2. Yes, then we enter. Definitely we'll get our sum. Then we get the average. For the average we are still going to base on equal sign, you get average, and then you get an equal sign average, you say equal sign average, open the brackets, and then you can enter the cell references which we are going to use. For this case we are still going to use B2 to E2. So you just say equal sign average, and then you open brackets, B2 to E2, B2 to E2. Okay, through to E2, then you enter, gives you the average. And then for the grade we are going to base on average. So to get the grade it is going to be a little long formula, but I believe you guys will be good enough to catch it because I'm going to make it very easy. So you will start with the equal sign, then when you're getting average we use the if sign. So you say equal sign if, you say, and then you open the brackets, then we refer to this G2. Okay, if that G2, maybe we say greater or equal to let me say 80. We are grading this person, so we say that gives us an A. Then that gives us an A. You put a comma, and then you come back and say if, you open the bracket, you still refer to that G2 is equal, greater or equal to, maybe let me say 70. I say comma, we call that to be a B. We close and we put another comma, come to if again, you open the brackets, maybe that's still G2 is greater or equal to, okay, this time let me say 60. I call it AC. Okay, and then I can say from less than 60. I come back and say, I say from less than 60 G2, we say if G2, open the bracket, G2 is greater or equal to 50. Okay, it is greater or equal to G2. Let me say from G2 is greater or equal to 50. We call that to be our, we call that to be a D. Okay, call that to be a D. We say capital D, close that, we put a comma, then we say less than that or less. We call less than that, we are going to put an F. Okay, then we close our bracket. Okay, basically that is the formula. Then you just press enter. It is going to correct that. That is our grade. Then we go to the comment. For the comment, we shall still be able to use our equal sign. Then you say if, you open the bracket, still we use this average G2 greater or equal to 50 is promoted, or maybe let me say pass mark is 60. Okay, let me say our pass mark is 60. Then I say greater or equal to 60. Okay, someone who gets 60 and above has passed. So meaning if someone has not reached 60, that person doesn't qualify to go to the next class. So we say that one is promoted. Okay, then I close that, or less. The rest will repeat. Okay, the rest, well, those ones below 60, we say they will repeat. Then we close the bracket. Okay, then you click enter. So we shall not repeat these formulas for everything for each column. So what we are going to do basically is to just do what we call cumulative cell referencing. So we just do that. That is a cumulative cell reference. It gives us for the total. We just take that cell, highlight on the cell, go to the right bottom corner, drag it to where you want it to end, then you release it, puts for you the results. So we shall do that for all these columns, and it will be able to give us, we are not going to repeat each and everything. So here you can see in our comments we only have 2 people who have been promoted, who got above 60. The rest are below 60, so they are going to repeat. So basically that is what I wanted to take you through, and thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.